And summon it. Hello everybody, welcome to the Brewery Build Up episode 3. Today we're joined in the studio with Brian, of course.
Yes.
And we have our live studio audience today. Monica and Malcolm. Welcome to the show.
Hello.
She's such a good sport.
Yep.
Such a good sport.
She's just waiting around for us. Because what are we doing? What are you doing today?
Today, on the Brewery Build Up, we're going to add the stainless steel sheeting to the back here. So the only real challenges I see is that we're going to have to do a little nibble through the bottom of the stainless to
accommodate the heater.
Accommodate the heater cable. Yep. And other than that, well, it's going to be a little bit of careful work to just glue it all into place. I'm sure once it touches the glue, the surface area will be so great it'll be almost impossible to move it. So we're going to have to be careful in our glue application and careful on our application of the steel. Because removing PL Premium from anything is pretty much impossible.
Let's go to the PL Premium cam.
Go to the PL Premium cam. Boom. PL Premium. Send us money. All right.
Yeah. Where'd you buy this from?
That's from, I don't know if I want to drop another name without payment.
Yeah.
It's from the,
We'll give him a free one first.
Oh, it's the Home Depot then.
Home Depot.
Home Depot.
Actually, we talked about Home Depot.
We have
a few
before. Yeah,
episodes
yeah.
so.
Especially when we talk about all these cheap ass tools I have.
Yeah. So most came from Home Depot. Home Depot.
That's
Home
like
Depot.
$500 a drop, right?
I
think so. Every time you drop a
We're
name.
keeping count of this because we need a new computer, right?
We do. We need bigger processing power. We need better cameras. We need more audio gear. We need it all. Turn on camera. See, that's what you're talking about, Brian. Camera checks.
Yeah. Perfect.
We need it all. We need the power. All right. I don't know. Shall we get started?
All right. Well, let's make sure it fits first. Before we throw
Let's
down
do
the
a test fit. Shall we do the 10-footer first? Since that's the one that's...
This one, right?
Yeah. Let's do that. Just like that. Never cut into your thumb, like I just did. Unless you're Our audience thinks that we're funny. It's not creepy at all. Ah, I get you. Instruction. All right.
Good job.
And that concludes the build-up of part 1 of episode 3. One sheet up, one to go, and then the cladding up here has to go up again. Right. And then we start the beautification. Thank you very much, buddy. And thank you. And continue being awesome. Hey, and welcome back to another episode of Brewery Build Up. Today we're not going to do anything too crazy. We're going to start recovering materials. Oops. over here. Oh, there we go. Covering materials from pallets so that we can start cladding the walls. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Bit of a mess, but you know, it'll be worth it in the end. It'll be worth it. Let's get to it, shall we? The real problem with reclaimed wood is that it's inconsistent and makes it very difficult to work with. It's not all the same width, not all the same length, so you really have to be kind of creative with how you put it all together. So like when you pull all these nails out and whatnot in order to use the wood, not knowing if it's going to actually be able to serve the purpose you want. Look at this piece here. It's all the edge of the tree, right? And the rounded edge, big knot hole, and it tapers. It's like, did I just spend, you know, 4 or 5 minutes taking this piece of wood and removing it and pulling the nails out and not be able to use it? Maybe. But it also might prove to be the most interesting part. Who knows? Yes, this is for the wall. Yes. So, this is a stainless cladding, right? We're going to build a border around it. And then we're going to fill this, basically reclaimed wood like this, to create a paneling, much like what we have on the bar here. Like this. Similar effect. Like a trim, and then the reclaimed wood. Just like that. Alright, yet again, thank you very much for viewing the brewery build-up. Hopefully we'll be back together soon, and you're awesome. Thanks!